Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Bing Webmaster Tools for SEO growth, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Bing Webmaster Tools, start by navigating to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on Sign Up to create one. Once signed in, on the dashboard, click on the Add a Site button. Enter the URL of your website in the provided field. Check the box to confirm that you own the site. Choose your preferred verification method. You can verify ownership via a meta tag, XML file, or through DNS. If you opt for the meta tag, copy the generated code. Then, paste this code into the head section of your website's homepage. For the XML file method, download the file and upload it to the root directory of your website. If using the DNS method, you will add a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Once you've applied your chosen verification method, return to Bing Webmaster Tools. Click the Verify button to confirm ownership. After verification, you'll be taken to the site dashboard. Here, you can explore various features to enhance your site's SEO. Start by submitting your sitemap for better indexing. Go to the Sitemaps section and enter the URL of your sitemap. Submit the sitemap and wait for Bing to process it. Next, check the Site Performance section to review traffic analytics. Utilize the Search Keywords feature to identify important search terms driving traffic to your site. Monitor the crawl control options to manage how Bing crawls your site. Regularly check the security section to ensure your site remains safe. Make adjustments to your website based on the insights gained. Continuously return to Bing Webmaster Tools for updates and progress tracking. This setup will provide a solid foundation for your SEO growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.